Hello everyone. Today is your English subject. I'm your English teacher Maris. Okay. So how are you today? Are you feeling sad or are you feeling happy? Teachers now is feeling great, feeling happy. How about you? Okay. So now are you ready primary 2 to listen? So let's start. Okay. So today our lesson is all about the preposition of place. Again, it's all about the preposition of place. Preposition of place shows where a person, an object, or an animals. Okay, I have two examples here of animals. A mouse, and a cat. Again, a mouse and a cat. Okay, look at the cat first. Okay, look at the position of all mouse. Look at the position. Okay, so this one. How about this one? This one? Or this one? Okay, so now let's talk about that. Okay, the first one is under. Under. Look at this is the box and this is the mouse. Okay, so the position of the mouse is under. Under. Again, under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Under. Okay, so what is the position of the mouse? The mouse is under. Under. That one. Under. Okay? So next one. Next is in. This one. In. I-N. I-N. In. In, which means inside the box. Inside. In. Okay, so this is the under and this is in. Under, in. Under, in. Okay? So how about this one? Look at the mouse. Where is the mouse? Again, where is the mouse? The mouse is on. Again, it's on. On. O-N. O-N. On. On the box. Okay, I'll repeat. So this is under. The mouse is under the box. Again. The mouse is under the box. The mouse is in the box. Again. The mouse is in the box. Next. The mouse is on the box. Again. The mouse is on the box. On. Okay? So next, how about this one? This is in front of. In front of. In front of. So if this is the box and this is the mouse. Okay? In front of. In front of. Again. In front of. Okay, again. Where is the mouse? In front of. Okay, so the mouse is in front of the box. In front of. Okay, next. Behind. Behind. So if this is in front of, so this one is behind. In front of, behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. Behind. Okay? So, the mouse is behind the box. Behind. Okay? So, next. This one. This is the mouse and this is the box. So, the mouse is next to. Next. Next to. Next to. The mouse is next to the box. Okay? Next to. Okay, again, this is under, in, in front of, behind, next to. Again, under, in, on. Again, under, in, on. In front of, behind, next to. Okay, next. How about this one? Look at the cat. So the cat is between the two boxes or the two boxes. Okay, between. B-E-T-W-E-N. Between. Okay, the cat is between. Okay, so again, let's see. Again, what is this? Where is the cat? Where is the mouse? In. Where is the cat? Between. Where is the mouse? Under. Where is the mouse? In front of. Where is the cat? Between. Where is the mouse? On. Where is the mouse? Next to. Where is the mouse? In. How about this one? Where is the mouse? Behind. Very good. So again, the preposition of place tells where a person, an object, or an animals. Okay? So I'll repeat. What are the preposition of place? What are the examples? Under, in, on, between, next to, behind, in front of. Okay? So I have an examples here. Okay, look at this. This is another examples. This one is in the corner. Look at the position of the chair. The chair is in the corner. Again, in the corner. Okay? So next is this one. On the left side. Left. On the left side of the box. Okay? The circle is on the left side of the box. Okay? If this is the left and this is the right. Okay? This is on the right side of. Okay? On the right side of the box. Okay? So I'll repeat. This is the left side and this is the right side. And this is the corner. Okay? I'll repeat. Corner, in the corner, on the left side, on the right side. For example, like this. This is, what is this? Right. And this one, how about this one? This. What is this? Left side. Okay? So again, what is this? Or what is this? In the corner. How about this one? On the right side. How about this one? On the left side. Very good. So now, let's another samples. Yes, like this. Okay. So now, where is the mouse? Again, where is the mouse? Oh, where is the mouse? Look at the position of the mouse. Okay, so the mouse is on the box. Again, the mouse is on the box. On. Okay, look at the position of the mouse is on the box. Again, where is the mouse? The mouse is on the box. Very good. Next. Okay, so now, this is the tree and this is the boy. Again, this is the tree and this is the boy. Okay, so this is the question. The question is, where is the boy? Where is the boy? The boy is under the tree. Again, The boy is under the tree. Okay? Under. Look at that. This is the tree and this is the boy. So that is under. Okay? Next. Again, where is the boy? Under. Again, where is the boy? Under. Okay, next one. Okay, this one. Where is the cat? Where is the cat? Where is the cat? Okay, the cat is next to the ball of thread. Okay, the cat is next to the ball of thread. Okay? Or the cat is beside. We have next to or beside. Next to or beside. Okay? And then another is the cat is on the left side of the ball of thread. Okay? On the left side. Left. Okay? On the left side. Okay? Left side. I mean left side. Okay? You understand? Okay. Next to or beside or on the left side. Do you understand? Okay, next. Another. Okay, next. This one. Where is the ball of thread? The ball. The ball. The ball of thread is next to the cat, or the ball of thread is next to beside or beside the cat. Okay, next to and beside. Or the ball of thread is on the left side of the cat. Okay? This one, this is the right, not left. This is the right. Okay? Right. And this is the left. Okay, next one. This is the rabbit. The rabbit. And this is the tree. So, where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? Again, where is the rabbit? Okay, the rabbit is behind the tree. Okay, the rabbit is behind the tree. Behind. Okay, where is the rabbit? Behind. Again, where is the rabbit? Behind the tree. Okay, again, the rabbit is behind the tree. Very good. Next one. Okay, where is the little man? Where is the little man? This is the box and this is the little man. So where is the little man? Where? The little man is in. Okay, that is in. The little man is in the box or inside. In. The little man is in the box. Okay? Next. Where is the dog? Again, where is the dog? If this is the table and this is the dog. So, where is the dog? Where is the dog? The dog is under. Again, the dog is under the table. Again, where is the dog? The dog is under the table. Look at that. The dog is under. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, where are the flowers? Flowers. Where is the flowers? So this is the flowers. This is the flowers, or these are flowers, and this is the vase. Okay, again, these are flowers, and this is the vase. Where are the flowers? The flowers are in the vase. Again, where are the flowers? In. Again, where are the flowers? In the vase. Okay? Okay, very good. Next. Where is the kitten? Oh, this is the dog and this is the kitten. This is the dogs. This is, or these are the dogs. Rather, these are the dogs and this is the kitten. Where is the kitten? The kitten is between the puppies or the dog. This is the puppies, or these are puppies or the dog, and the kitten is between the puppies. Okay? Between. Okay? Next. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? This is the dog house or the house, and this is the dog. So where is the dog? Okay, so 3 examples of preposition. 3. The dog is next. Next, okay? Next to the house. And the dog is beside. Beside. Next to or besides, okay? Next. The dog is on the right side of the house. Right side like this. This one. The right side, okay? So next. Where is the rabbit? This is the rabbit and that is the tree. This is the rabbit and this is the tree. Okay, so where is the rabbit? Where is the rabbit? The rabbit is in front of the tree. Again, the rabbit is in front of the tree. In front of. Again, where is the rabbit? In front of. Again, where is the rabbit? In front of. Okay? The rabbit is in front of the tree. Okay? Because this is the rabbit and this is the tree. Okay, next. Where are the books? This is the books and this is the bags. So where are the books? The books are in the bags. The books are in. Look at this. In. In. Okay? The books are in the bags. Okay? Next. Where are the books? No, this is not the books. This is the cat. Okay? So where is the cat? Where is the cat? The cat is sitting in the corner. Again, where is the cat? The cat is sitting in the corner. In the corner. Again, where is the cat? In the corner. Again, where is the cat? In the corner. Okay? Next. Okay, where is the apple? Where is the apple? This is the box and this is the apple. So where is the apple? Where is the apple? The apple is on the box. Very good. Is on. Okay? Again, the apple is on the box. The apple, this one, the apple is on the box. Again, where is the apple? On. Where is the apple? On. Very good. Next. Okay. Where is the teacher? This is the teacher and this is the blackboard. Again, this is the teacher and this is the blackboard. So where is the teacher? Where is the teacher? The teacher is in front of the blackboard. Again, the teacher is in front of the blackboard. Again, the teacher is in front of the blackboard. Where is the teacher? In front of. Again, where is the teacher? In front of. Very good. Next. Okay, so these are the shoes and this is the ball. So the question is, where is the ball? I'll repeat. Where is the ball? The ball is between the shoes. The ball is between the shoes. Again. The ball is between the shoes. Okay? Where is the ball? Between. Where is the ball? Between. Very good. Next. Okay. This is the tree and this is the man. This is the tree and this is the man. So the question is, where is the man? Where is the man? The man is behind the tree. Behind. Again, where is the man? Behind the tree. Where is the man? Behind. Very good. Next. And this is the question. Get a notebook for the answer. Okay, for a test. Okay, so look at this. Write a sentence in the correct preposition of place. Okay. 1 point for the correct preposition, 1 point for the correct sentence construction, 1 point answer the question. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, do it in your own. Okay, for example, look at this. Where is the bird? The bird is on the box. The bird is on the box. Okay, so this is on. For the correct preposition, on, so 1 point. And the correct sentence like this, the bird is on the box, 1 point another. And the correct question, or where is the bird, like that, so 1 point. Okay, so in one item you have 3 points. Okay, for example, like this. Where is the bird? Where is the bird? Number 1, between. Where is the bird? Where is the bird? In front of. Where is the bird? In. Like that. In. Okay? So that is your homework. Okay? So that's all for today. And then let's check that in our next meeting. Okay? See you again, Primary 2. See you and goodbye.